In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share an Airtable form with a direct link so you can start collecting responses from anyone you choose. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser. Any modern browser will work, whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once your browser is open, go to Airtable. The easiest way is to type airtable.com into the address bar and press enter. When the page loads, you'll be greeted by the login screen. So click the login button and enter your credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your workspace. Now, you need to open the base that contains the form you want to share. Your workspace will show all your bases as cards or in a list. Find the right one and click on it to open it. Once inside the base, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a variety of options there. Click on Forms. This will open up a panel showing all the forms you have created within this base. Select the specific form you want to share by clicking on its name. If you only have one form, it will likely be selected automatically. With your form open and visible on the screen, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a button labeled Share Form. Go ahead and click it. A new window or slide-out panel appear, and at the top, you'll see the form link already generated and ready to go. Click the copy button next to the link, or simply highlight the URL and copy it manually. Now you have the direct link to your form. You can send this link to the people who need access by pasting it into an email, a messaging app, or even embedding it on a website. Before you send it out, it's a good idea to check your form settings. Right there in the Share panel, you can adjust options like allowing multiple submissions from the same person, limiting responses, or customizing the confirmation message. Take a moment to tweak these settings to fit your needs. Finally, test the form by opening the link in a new tab. Fill it out with some sample data to make sure everything looks and functions exactly as you expect. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Airtable form with a direct link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.